It's time for showbiz, and the lady herself joins me in the studio. Hi, Irene.
Hi, Fosti. How are you?
I'm great. It's been a while, hasn't it? Exactly. But I'm glad to see you. You're looking stunning. Tell me what's happening.
So, Presec Legon was out of the contest. They couldn't make it to the final stage of NSMQ or even win the trophy.
Sadly.
But they had fun. You know, even Account Fokra said that cry, jai him. So they had fun on Friday during their bonfire, night. And there were a lot of performances from Black Sheriff to DWP. If you missed moments from the event, here's what went down.
Presec for life. Presec for life. Another guy. Let's go. Number one, I'm the best MC.
Interesting.
Yeah,
oh,
very
that celebration
right?
when you lost. Oh my God, I'm so impressed.
But that should have been the end of the story. But guess what? There is more to the news, because among the performers was Ara the J. Okay. He is a musician. He performed at the event, and guess what? He was expecting the students to cheer him just like the other performers, but they met him with boos and chants of away. Just take a look at this video.
For the room. Make I want to see make I want to walk across the room. Want to see make I want to walk across the room.
Oh dear. Well, I'm speechless really, because this is an up-and-coming artist.
He's not even up-and-coming. Like, he's done music with Nigerian artists.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And you know, the sad aspect of the matter is that he is an old student of Presec.
Oh, I see. So he has done music before? Well, we need to know a lot about his, stagecraft, clearly.
Yeah. So, it got a lot of people talking.
What can I say? Don't look at me like that. I'm not the student.
It got a lot of people talking on social media, and we want to take a look at some of the comments.
Okay, let's see the comments.
So let's take a look at the comment. Yeah, that's one of his songs.
He's actually quite popular.
Yeah, very popular.
Oh my God. No, but see, let's look at the right side. He came, he saw, and he tried to conquer.
Yeah, so we have this from Wendy Shea, who is saying that every great musician has had a night like that. It's part of the journey. I'm a living example. Some people will pay millions to come watch you. RDJ, brace yourself, cause you are the next big thing. And we have others saying, RDJ, waste squad do for stage, no. Charlie, slow.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. But if you're in showbiz, you should expect things like that, because there's going to be raining, sunny days. And there's some days where you are not going to have both. And these are all parts of the success story. But let's go straight away from that. He actually performed at Tema over the weekend.
Oh, I
and
see.
And the crowd jeered him. I mean, they were so excited about his performance.
Well,
let's take a look at the video. See the irony of the situation.
Really. So what's the problem? I don't know.
Okay, but away from that, we have more news coming up in showbiz, where I take you to Pacey Esther's camp, because over the weekend, that was on Sunday, 2nd November, she had her 4th edition of the Flora Made by Grace concert. Let's take a look at the event.
Making their way up the stairs and into the auditorium, a sign that something special was about to unfold.
It is working!
Firstly, that's what I have for you for today's edition of Showbiz. Welcome.
Thank you, Irene. We enjoyed it. And, you know, let's just take some bit of inspiration from what happened. Presec lost, but they partied hard. So it's fine. You can be going through a down moment in your life, but still have a positive outlook on life. And that's how we wrap up Joy News Prime. For more news, please log on to my joyonline.com. My name is Faustina Safo. Good evening.